Elon Musk has predicted the exact year humans will make it to Mars. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, look at this video down below. The faux Mars, but then there's like a SUV and a porta potty in the back.
Porta potty's a funny word.
Kind of kills the vibe a little bit, but they have their little pods. Everyone wants to go to Mars. But we didn't have. I guess we didn't have an estimation. I think he said like 50 years or something.
Oh, he said he
apparently there's a number in here. Oh no, even sooner. 2029.
Whoa.
2029. You need to cut to Mo's camera. Hold that, Mo.
That seems really soon.
Mo did this. He went like this. He went.
Some EVs are coming after
way back. Yeah. No, he'll be on Mars before you get your Cybertruck.
Exactly.
Yeah, before Will gets his Bronco, Elon's on Mars.
Wow.
No, not himself, but I don't know. It's obviously quite ambitious.
Very.
In 2016, I bet a friend, this is somebody on Twitter underneath his post. In 2016, I bet a friend 10 grand that it'll happen before 2031. Going to be a photo finish. I say that's ambitious. I would be amazed, by the way, if
big bet on this guy too.
They do it the 10 grand.
Yeah.
You think the friend is coming to collect?
I don't know.
A 2016 bet. Like, how do they make it? They got to make a record of that, don't they?
Mm-hmm.
It's a huge friendly bet. Yeah, 2029 is what he says. I'm going to take...
Oh, this is...
If I'm taking the bet, I'm saying no.
I agree with you.
7 years.
It's too soon.
I don't know who's checking up on this, but I guess isn't that weird? 2029 feels close, but 7 years sounds like a long time.
Yeah. 7
years.
Yeah, last 2 years flew by.
You'll be 46.
Mm-hmm. Exactly how old we'll be.
Yeah.
What do you say, Will? 2029, Mars, no Mars?
No go.
Okay, and Mo, 2029 is a no for you as well. Okay, all of us think it's a little too tight schedule. Take your time. It's a tough trip. Take your time. Make sure you're ready to go.